All right, as promised, here we go. January 3rd morning. We're gonna try the silver and blue here today. Lake or pond, whatever you want to call it. See if I can get something. Again, day 2 of the year, 2026 fishing. January 3rd. Fingers crossed. All right, 30 minutes in, nothing at that spot. Try something different over here. And even if I'm not catching anything, look at this view. That's a way to start a new year of fishing right there. Beautiful. Freaking on, come on. It's a big one. This is the biggest bass I've ever seen in real life.
Hey, good catch, man.
Take care, thanks. Look at that. Look at that. Question though, what the hell is it? I don't even know. Ew, but I'm gonna get a good release on it. All right, I'm gonna let it go, okay? All right, there it goes. Gonzo. What is it? I don't know. Well, that was it for this session. Again, got that one fish on that guy, silver and blue. What was it? Anybody know? Anybody give me an answer for that one? Not a bass, not a trout. Let me know. What do you think it was? Till next time.